Hello everyone, my name is Manohar Kumar and I have completed computer engineering and right now I'm working as a QA team lead, and my basically professional experience is a 9+ years in the manual testing, but I haven't experience with the automation, but as per the current market situation, the both experience is required, manual and automation. So basically I have when I have tried to reach with the automation testing, so I decided to go with the STAD Solution by searching with the many of the institution, but finally I go with the STAD Solution, and I really very appreciate to the Richa ma'am and Mr. Bhavesh, who is providing me the very good session of the advanced automation, where I learned the API testing using the Postman, and load testing via JMeter, load and performance testing, and obvious in the automation testing I have learned the Selenium, Cucumber, BDB Cucumber, and CI/CD pipelines and everything. So they cover the most of the things, and they have a very start with the very beginning. So it was not very hard for me to learn, because of they provided the very easy to understand the materials and explaining things from the practical session and theoretical session. So I'm really very happy with the STAD Solution and the faculty members. I'm very thanks to the STAD Solution to providing me the great session, and thank you very much. That's it from my side. Thank you.